Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Python project which is entitled as Diagnosis of COVID-19 from chest X-ray images using wavelets based deep-wise convolutional network, which is an IEEE 2021 paper. So in this project the authors have proposed a concept of identifying the COVID-19 by analyzing the chest X-ray images. So this input images has been classified as three classes, that is normal, viral pneumonia and COVID. And here you can see the samples of it with the normal, viral pneumonia and COVID. And we have used efficient net B0 architecture, and the accuracy score that we achieved is 0.974, which is around 97%. Now let us see the execution of the project. Just copy the source code location, go to the command prompt, go to the source code location, type python app.py, copy the URL, go to your browser, paste it, and now you can see the home screen or welcome screen of the project with the project title Diagnosis of COVID-19 from chest X-ray images using wavelet based depth-wise convolutional network, and click the login menu. And this is a static login page because we have not used any database here. So just enter the default username and password as admin and admin, and then click the login button. And once the login is successful, it will be navigated to the preview part where you can upload the image and you can check the prediction result of it, whether it consists of COVID or not. So just click the browse button, go to the source code location, and where you can see the upload folder, and which consists of the three classes that I have mentioned earlier, that is COVID, normal or viral pneumonia. So first let me go for the normal case. I'll select an image, and you can preview that image here, whichever image you are selecting, and then click the submit button. And now you can see the prediction result of the submitted image. So here you can see the prediction result is normal. So let me go to the preview part again, select browse, and now this time I'll go for the viral pneumonia case and select any of the image. So here you can preview the image that you have selected and then click submit button. And here now you can see the prediction result of it. The prediction result is viral pneumonia. And again let me go to the preview part, select the browse, and this time let me go for the COVID, which is the final class, and let me select any of the image, and you can preview the image here and then click submit button. And now you can see the prediction result, that is COVID. And for the scenario I have shown with each images from the each class, you can also check with the other images from the test data. And now let me go to the performance analysis part. So just click the performance analysis. So here you can see the performance analysis with the accuracy of 0.995, precision 0.993, recall value with 0.995, and F measure is 0.995. And here you can see the chart. The final part is the chart part where you can see the chart. This is a static chart only because we have not used any database. So this chart value is depicted from the data set that we have trained up with. So which consists around COVID of 40%, viral pneumonia of 35%, and normal as 25%. And let me log out. And this is all about the project diagnosis of COVID-19 from chest X-ray images using wavelets based depth-wise convolutional network. And thank you for watching.